1 minute?
1 minute. Bus is coming in like 3 minutes. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay, fine. I'm going in.
You're staying here. It's Lars' first day of school, Rin.
I'm going.
You don't have a backpack or anything. Okay, stop spinning. You're gonna get dizzy. Oh, you got dizzy and you fell down.
I think I'm gonna get dizzy now.
Matt.
Who never gets dizzy?
Lars, stop. You're about to get on the bus.
Bus is coming.
Is it 0? That means the bus is coming?
Mm-hmm. Do you hear it? You can kind of hear it over there. It's going to pick up those kids and then it's going to come and get you guys.
Hi. Me? The bus is coming.
Oh, I see it. Okay. Get ready. Right, hold him.
Hold who?
Rin, so he doesn't jump on the bus.
There was the bus.
It's on the corner.
I see it.
I can just see the tip of it.
I can see it. Yeah.
It's coming. Okay, wait. Go ahead. Good morning. Bye. See ya. Have a nice day.
Can you find a spot?